Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today I'm starting out a monthly reset routine for March. It is literally about to be March in like 3 days, and every month is just flying by. But we're gonna do some goal setting, we're gonna do some planning, cleaning, recharging, all that good stuff to prep for March. And I just got up. It's Sunday. I slept in a little bit just because I've had a busy week, and now it's time to get ready to start my day. Throw on like a hoodie, comfy clothes. It's still freezing. The weather dropped again, so that's fun. But I'm gonna eat breakfast and then we'll get started with this day. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this motivates you guys to reset, do like all the things to prep for a good month. And it's never too late to like make goals, and it's never too late, like whenever you're watching this you can still plan and prep for your weeks ahead. And I just hope this gives you some sort of motivation to get up and do something productive, whether that's today, whether that's during the week, whatever it may be. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here. We have lots of fun over here, lots of relatable stuff. So let's get to making breakfast, because
your girl never misses out on breakfast.
Tell me why I went to go make eggs, like my normal breakfast every day. We have no more eggs. And I already started making my hash brown and my coffee, so I guess we're having a hash brown and coffee. I'm really sad. So I guess I'll eat like a big lunch. Anyways, I just want to eat and enjoy my coffee. What I might do while I have my coffee though is I was editing a vlog yesterday, so I'll probably continue editing while I have my coffee then and my hash brown, because that is gonna be on my list of to-dos, which we will also be making. Comment down below if you make to-do lists, because you guys know I have been making to-do lists forever, and they truly just help me stay organized, stay on top of everything that I need to do. So we will be making a to-do list of everything that I want to do today, and then you guys will obviously see everything else that I do in terms of like how I plan for the month. I have quite a hectic month coming up in March, so yeah, that's the ordeal with my breakfast. Also comment down below if you eat breakfast. I know not a lot of people love to eat breakfast, but like I can't go without it, like honestly. But yeah, let's go have pretty much coffee. Okay, I just did a little bit of editing. I can take my AirPods out, but I'm finishing up the rest of my coffee, also finishing my water, because your girl is always trying to make sure I'm drinking water.
Anyways,
let's make the to-do list before I go throw in my laundry. I'll finish editing later so that this video can go up tomorrow morning. We're just getting our life together, honestly. I have had an interesting last 2 weeks, where you guys know from my previous vlogs, my PMS, just getting over like my period. So it's just been like a roller coaster these last 2 weeks, and I just am like getting my life together. So we're gonna do laundry. I'm gonna do some closet cleaning, but I need to be strategic because I hate taking out everything from my closet. It honestly, like, it takes me the whole day. I just cannot focus on that the whole day. So I'm gonna be strategic. Don't go too crazy. I mainly just want to like refold things, put them back, because I have new clothes coming, and I don't have space like that to just get clothes and just keep piling them up. Because like honestly, when I clean my closet, it's just so hard for me to part ways with things. I'm like, that's cute, like I'm gonna wear that soon, this is cute, like
I never wear them.
And I know people can relate, because I know this happens to everybody. I need to mainly refold things, get rid of things that I truly don't wear anymore, because I have new clothes coming for the springtime. So stay tuned for a haul coming soon. Clean my closet. We're gonna also clean my room and my Alex drawers. I don't know how many times I've cleaned my Alex drawers and they look like a disaster. But again, something I need to get rid of, things that I truly just, I don't even know what's in it, honestly. Plan out my month with my big overview planner that I have like sitting on my desk. I'm gonna do some goal setting / reflecting. just cleaned out 2 drawers. I have to do the top one, which is the one that has like the main disaster, but sorry, I look
like a ghost.
I just did my eyebrows, did a little mascara, and I'm actually gonna get ready to run the errands. So I'm gonna take pictures, and then I need to go to Ulta, and then when I come back we'll do the rest of my cleaning. But I'm gonna wear some sneakers, put a little outfit together. I need to fix my hair up. My hair has been up all week, and comment down below hair products that you recommend. Like, I just don't wear my hair naturally out because I look like a literal lion. So let me get ready, and then I will see you guys later. I actually did my hair like fully slick back, not with like the little part that I normally do. But yeah, it needs a good washing today. Today is hair washing day, and then shoot some content and head back home. Hopefully it'll be quick. Okay guys, I am back home. Sorry if my brother's PlayStation sounds like it's literally about to explode, but didn't end up going to Ulta because after we took pictures there was just way too much traffic, and like me and my boyfriend both had like a busy day today, so it's not a big deal. I'm gonna actually go on Tuesday, so I'm gonna get back to cleaning. I'm gonna play some music. I need to go through the first top drawer, and then also my clothes are in the dryer, so that will be done soon, and then we'll tackle closet, which I'm dreading. Also kind of craving an iced coffee. It's like windy out and it's gonna be freezing tomorrow, but right now it's like almost 50 degrees and the sun felt so nice. The picture came out really good, so I don't know, should I make an iced coffee? I don't know. Let me get my water in for the day first. Like, I need to stay hydrated. Not to have coffee. It's fine. Disaster is what this is. Okay, sorry if you hear cooking in the back. My mom is actually making like hibachi dinner. I just tasted it. It's really good. She's making fried rice with egg, broccoli, and steak. So excited, but I already have a pile of stuff to donate, which I'm excited about because some of these things I know like don't fit or I'm not going to wear. Like sometimes, like, you know when jeans are a little too tight, but like they work, but they're tight, and it's like that's not good for you
At all.
So I was like, gotta part ways with some of these jeans. I have like a lot of jeans now, and some of these also were just like skinny jeans. One of them was even from like beginning of college, I think even high school, and I'm like, girl, you're never wearing those ever again. And yeah, so I have to just refold them up and put them in a bag, but I'm still not done. I'm just like refolding, just going through and like picking out what I know I'm not gonna wear to make room for my new clothes coming. I also planned out my month, as you guys saw, just to really organize myself because midterms, I have a midterm due the 6th, which is this
I think Sunday coming up, and then I have one on the 10th. No, then I have one on the 7th.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, I have them back to back. Anyways, so I did the planning because I also have like a lot of brand stuff this month for the month of March, so I just really wanted to organize myself with deadlines, all that stuff, just so I'm staying organized. I also have spring break and stuff, so it's good that I get a little break that I'm excited about. But yeah, I just did that planning, and then I love that pad because it also allows me to write my goals. I'm also still going to reflect and do the goal setting and everything in my other journal that I use, and like reflect, write the new goals for the month, see what I accomplished last month. We're still going to do all that later, but I got that done out of the way, the one that's on my desk. My camera ended up dying, but it is now shower time. My closet was clean. I still need to wipe down like my surface of like my desk and my Alex drawers, but other than that I'm pretty much set. And after I do that, I'm going to do my goal setting, sit in my bed, put a little diffuser on, and we're gonna have like a good unwind, chill night, sleep early because I'm waking up early tomorrow. Guys, I just put in my diffuser.
And my diffuser, I just
Put on my diffuser, put eucalyptus, tea tree, and peppermint on, and my room just feels like nice and cozy. I have my galaxy lamp on. Everything just feels like super clean. I'm really glad that I got to clean my closet and do all that stuff. So we're gonna update the to-do list now because it's getting late and I just want to like unwind, you know. Let's see how productive our day was. I did laundry, check. Clean my closet, check. Clean my room, check. Organized my Alex drawers, check. Did my monthly planning on the big calendar, check. I'm about to do some goal setting. I did pictures today, and I'm probably not going to edit tonight. I'm still uploading tomorrow, best believe. I'm actually waking up early tomorrow, and I'm filming a vlog tomorrow, so you guys will see tomorrow, but my plan is to finish editing that tomorrow morning. I want to look back and reflect on my goals that I set for February and just reflect and then do my scripting and my goal setting for... I'm gonna reflect, do my goal setting, and do my scripting for March. Oh my gosh, so I was looking at my goals, and for like my TikTok, on January 31st I had 311 followers, and I said by the end of February I was gonna have 1,026, and I have 1,028 followers, and that's crazy. Okay guys, I just saw what time I'm waking up tomorrow, and it is about to be 11 o'clock right now, so I'm literally going to sleep so I can get some good rest. And I hope you guys enjoyed this monthly reset routine, getting my life together for a new month. I'm really excited to see what this month is going to bring for me because February was good. February was not the best it could have been, but it honestly brought me everything that's to come in March. I have lots to look forward to, but it's also going to be very busy, which means time is gonna fly, but I also want to enjoy it. It's gonna be crazy, but you guys are gonna be following along obviously, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As always, make sure you subscribe, leave comments down below, and also I hope this motivated you. Comment down below some of your goals for the new month, some of the things that you maybe didn't fully achieve in February and what you can do to achieve them in March or achieve something else in March. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next one.